Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am on a journey to pay off my home mortgage. I am currently consumer debt free. I've paid off personal loans, credit cards, car note, my student loans, and now I am tackling my home mortgage. Yay. Okay, so I finished a whole video, then my alarm went off on my phone, and so I have to start over. So I've already marked down the principal payment that I made today, April 18th, 2025, and a principal payment of $1,000, principal only payment here. And then that brought my mortgage down to $135,999.08. So I made a principal payment today of $1,000, a principal only payment. My goal for every month is to make a principal payment towards my mortgage at minimum 3 times every month. The goal is 3 times every month, but I try every single Friday to make a principal payment towards my mortgage. And so I was able to mark the check that I made an extra principal payment for the month of April. Yay. That $1,000 principal payment allowed me to mark off or color in a house. And I did that here. So this is an additional $1,000 towards my mortgage. Okay. And this is where my phone cut off. So, every month I start a starting balance, and at the end of this month I will show my principal paid and the ending balance for this month. And so I was able to do that for the first 3 months. I'm really excited too, and let me know in the comments if you are able to receive a printout of your immunization calculator. And I'm not sure if I pronounced that word correctly, but when I called my mortgage company on yesterday, they can give me the information over the phone, but they stated that it's something that they don't just mail out on a regular basis. I do have one from the start of my mortgage, but it's something that they don't mail out. So, but they did give me the information over the phone. And what I've learned is just the payments that I made in January, February, and March, that cut my mortgage down for 2 years. So the principal payments that I've made so far this year, I cut my mortgage off 2 years. So basically I saved 2 years worth of mortgage payments with the principal amounts that I've been paying. So that was great news to hear. And then guys, this is my another chart that I use to track where I'm going and where I'm at. And I am able to color in an additional block. Each block is worth $1,451. Last week, I made a principal only payment of $686. This month, I made a principal only payment of $1,000. So I am able to color in one block here, which is very exciting. Yay. Okay, and then I have another tracker that is, well, it's not a tracker, it's another savings challenge that allows me to save an additional $100 every month. So for the months of January, February, and March, I've been able to save an additional $100. And at the end of the year, there will be an additional $1,200 towards my principal payment. So whenever I have like $1 left over or $5 around, I apply it here. So at the end of every month, I try to have an additional $100. Okay, so I have $2 extra here. So I have a little ways to go by the end of this month for this April challenge. But guys, that's where I'm at. Thank you so much for joining me. And I appreciate all of the comments of your support and encouragement, and I hope that I'm encouraging someone as well by you paying off whatever debt it is that you owe. I go by the scripture, we are slaves to those we owe. And I am a witness to every time I pay off a debt, I am literally like lighter, so I'm excited about getting this last debt off of my table. Okay. And thank you for joining me. I will see you next time.